Hello, everybody. This is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you have a great day. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make roasted red potatoes. So let's get right into it. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Okay, here are the ingredients, guys. I have red potatoes, olive oil, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, rosemary, and some salt. So let's get started. Here I have potatoes that are already washed. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them in quarters. Okay. Just like so, guys. Okay. Next, we're gonna add onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, some salt, paprika, rosemary. Not a lot, guys. Then olive oil, we're gonna toss all this together. Okay, just like so, guys. Toss, toss, toss. Okay, we're gonna mix the potatoes like so. Then I'm gonna transfer everything on a greased sheet pan. Then I'm gonna bake this at 375 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. There you have it, guys. Roasted red potatoes. This dish, guys, you can use it as a side dish. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bee's channel. Please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Please subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.